We're here at the Foundry today. We're gonna do a little behind the scenes video of how we make our table legs. So come with me, check this process out. It's really interesting. So this is where the whole process starts here at the molding machine. This is gonna get some sand poured into it, compressed, flipped around, and the other side's gonna have the same process done. This is gonna create the mold, which is then gonna be ready to pour aluminum in. We have a flask here, and sandwiched in between we have this board. This is the match plate. And if you look, that's the pattern of the piece we're trying to make. That's on a board here. The board consists of two pieces. So the match plate has a cope and it has a drag. That's essentially your top and your bottom. So believe it or not, this sand is called green sand. I know it looks black here, and it's green in the sense of like hardwood lumber is green before it's dried. This is a uncured sand. It's kind of it's a mix between silica sand and clay with some water. And this makes for a nice combination to compress. What I wanted to highlight in this video is the amount of labor and physical work that goes into one table leg. So this is a very labor intensive process, and you have to know what you're doing, or you're gonna either have a broken mold or the pour is gonna go wrong and we're gonna end up having to melt that table leg back down. So this is a very labor intensive but also very skilled job to get these things to come out perfect. All right, so he's gonna take the core box off. He's gonna lift this off of here. It's gonna lift up onto the platform, ready for the aluminum to be poured. This is essentially a liquid form of table leg right here. Ladled out by hand, brought over to the mold, and poured in. This part is super crucial that we get right, because if we go too slow or we go too fast, we have issues. And then if we don't keep a steady, consistent pour, we will have issues. So if we start and then stop, it creates a weak point in that table leg. And we definitely don't want that to happen. So this is very, very crucial. So now that the aluminum is poured, they are going to bring these over, dump them out onto the shaker conveyor, and then break that sand loose. The sand's going to then go down. So you can see behind me they dumped out. And it's going to shake all that sand off of there. Now these are still really hot. They haven't fully cooled, but they're cool enough to handle now. Watch it. Now he's pulling out the cores. The cores go here, they're pretty much junk there. But the sand does get recycled and reused again, goes down and starts the process back up into the system. And it just keeps working its way around. On a good day, we can run between 70 and 80 of these table legs through. These are not mass produced by any means, but we are able to get a decent bit of them through in a day. So these come out looking just like this. They're still piping hot. The gating gets cut off here with a bandsaw. That process happens next. We're going to show you that. So this piece is one that's going to get rejected. We're going to melt this back down and remake it. So I cut this off. You can see the aluminum here just to show you the thickness. This piece was good except for down here on this piece we cut off. We had a whole bunch of pitting going on, and we don't want any of that. We want this piece to be perfectly smooth every single time. So this is another piece that got rejected. As you can see, we have a finished side here. This side did not quite make it. So this was something to do with the pouring. When he's pouring, he may have slowed down just a little bit too much, so then it cooled before it completed, and it turned out like this. This piece is obviously going to get rejected, and we're going to start over with it. All right, so he's going to take this piece, he's going to cut off the gating here on the bandsaw behind us. So he's going to run the blade right along here and get as close to it as he can, and then it'll grind the rest of the way. After any defective pieces are pulled, the workers are going to cut the gating off and legs go into the final cleanup process. All right, so he's going to take this over to the sander and finish sand this. You can get pretty close with a bandsaw, but you can't get quite up to it. So this is going to finish that up, make a nice clean surface there. All right, so now that he has this cleaned up, you can see there's a nice smooth surface. There's still a little bit more cleanup on this. So we have some of this that needs ground down. The holes up at the top, they mostly come out, but they've still got to be cleaned up a little bit. So he's going to do that behind us here. You can see he's working on this piece, knocking out that hole. So this is the finished table leg after all those steps. It's nice and clean, it's perfect, ready to go. This still has one more thing that has to happen, and that is powder coating. And from powder coating, it's going to get boxed up. We add some gold lettering to it, but that's the last steps. This is it for the Foundry though.